Nature.
Moon.
Moon. Moon. The moon is the largest object in the night sky.
Rain.
Rain. Rain.
Do you carry an umbrella when it rains?
Sun.
Sun. Sun.
The sun normally shines very brightly in summer.
Cloud.
Cloud. Cloud.
What shape are these clouds?
Moon.
Moon.
Rain.
Rain.
Sun.
Sun. Cloud.
Cloud.
Fire.
Fire. Fire.
The fire keeps us warm in winter.
Snow.
Snow. Snow.
Does it snow where you live? Fire.
Fire.
Snow.
Snow. Star.
Star. Star.
I like looking at the stars. Do you? Rainbow.
Rainbow. Rainbow. Can you draw a rainbow?
Star.
Star.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Lightning.
Lightning. Lightning. Have you ever seen lightning?
Wind.
Wind.
The wind rotates turbines to create energy. Lightning.
Lightning. Wind.
Wind.